Hello guys. Now I have a good news for all of you. Irida Digital's, we are taking this training to a different level. This is the time you have to start making money online. This is the time you have to make extra income, okay? And this tutorial is about guiding you through how to start making money, okay? I just want to show you this easiest way, the simple way of making money online, okay? Let me introduce myself. My name is Samuel Kwenes. I'm the founder of Irida Digitals and Irida Who's. Irida Digitals is a web designing company, expert in any type of website or any kind of websites, okay? And we also have Irida Host, that is the branch of Irida Digitals that are in charge of web hosting, and I'm the founder, the CEO, okay? So first of all, let us continue. Now, this is our portfolio website, okay? Those who don't know me, this is my picture, okay? Let me go down and show you more of our services and the things that we have been doing over the years, okay? Good. We have been in this industry for over 10 years and we are doing great work, okay? This is our official website, as I said, and this is my picture, okay? And that is sample of my work. I'm going to show you more, my team members behind me, okay? Okay, so this is our portfolio website. If you want to learn more about us, just come to irida.com, irida.com. Okay, good. You can just come to services just to learn more about us, and then portfolio just to look at sample of our work. Okay, good. Now, this is our web hosting server, okay, which is being managed with cPanel. Okay, as you can see, we have the cheapest hosting so far, okay, hosting server, okay, good, and high speed as well. Okay, let us continue. And do you know why we are the best web designing company in Ghana? Now, this is our Facebook page, and we have, that is 4.9k likes and 5k followers, okay? So we have been doing a great work. We have a lot of posts here, okay? So we have been doing a great work, okay? Good. And then, you see, do you know why we are the best web company? And you know something, I'm going to help you so that you can also build your brand like what I've done. I'm going to walk you through step by step all my experience, how I was able to reach this level, okay, so that you can also start something and start making money. Web design pays, okay, good. To be honest with you, it's something that you will never regret, okay? Just follow along. Now, let's go to Google. Let me click here and go to Google. Just enter Google, okay, just Google search. So over here, let us search for web design agency Kumasi, okay, just Kumasi, and enter. Let's see, the first name on top here is what? Irida Digitals, okay, and I have the blue tick, which means my business has been verified by Google, okay? Not only that, it's a registered business, okay? We have all the documentation, okay, good. Now, this is my location. You can locate us here, okay, good. And that is Irida Digitals. You can click here to visit our website or direction to our place, or you can just call me on this number, okay, or contact me on WhatsApp. So you see, this is our business. Even if you search web design agency Kumasi, you see our name, so which means that we are doing great. I can even remove this and bring Ghana as a whole, okay, good, and search for Irida Digitals and look at here, number 2 on Google listing, okay? So we are doing great. let me close this for a while. In fact, we have been doing a lot of project work. This is Hannah School Compress, okay, a big school in Accra, and we actually designed this website for them, okay. Yeah, good. And this is Jomek. In fact, this school, they are doing great. I think it's somewhere Asankragwa or something of that sort. Okay, good. Yes. And this is the website. In fact, this is not just a website, it's school management system, okay, for assessment, marking of register, staff attendance, end of term report, homework. There's so many things inside, okay, good. And this is Geneb Consult. I can open all of them, okay, good. And this is Dima Health Center. This is like a lab website, okay, where it's in the form of affiliate. It's like which means that you can just join the program as a doctor. You can refer patients and you will get commission for that, something of that sort. Okay, good. And this is a website that I'm still working on it, okay. I'm still working on this website. It's so amazing. It's like they are into construction, building, real estate agency, okay. So this is a website. What do you think? They have different kinds of doors that they are selling over there too, okay, good. And I'm still working on this website. In fact, it's still under construction and it's so amazing. It's looking great. And you can just read more about that is the owner, okay, good. And as you can see, it's very beautiful website, okay. So you see, good. Now I'm enough with all the websites. It's a lot, okay. I can show you all. Now let me show you this. This is school assessment platform. I actually made this website for my student, okay. I'm going to show you how it works. Now it's like a game. Let's come to play now, and I'm going to show you something. So over here we have some questions here that you can answer, okay. So first of all, let's go to start and listen. I don't know, there is some kind of the background music. I hope you can hear the music, okay, good. So you see, now if I click, let's say I want to choose the correct answer. If I click this one, so you see, I can just go to the next. And this one, if I click this, so you see, the next one, if I get it wrong like this, so you see, good. So let me leave this place. Okay, so this is website that I made for my student. It's too beautiful, okay. For assessing my student, I am a math teacher, so it's another way of assessing my students. That is during weekends, vacation, and so on and so forth. Okay, good. So just follow along and you will become a successful web designer. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can start building your brand, okay, to make it big. This is just an introduction. I hope I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course.